Imagine this. You wake up one morning, not worried about bills, deadlines, or financial stress. Instead, you're planning your next big project, investing in opportunities, or spending quality time with loved ones. What if I told you that there are clear signs you're already on the path to making this your reality? These signs aren't just about having money in the bank. They're about adopting a mindset and habits that create sustainable financial freedom. Along the way, I'll share some powerful examples, a few book recommendations, and actionable takeaways to keep you ahead. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel, and let's jump right in. Number 1. Your future is a masterpiece in progress. Ever felt a burning desire to create something bigger than yourself? That's your vision calling you. And guess what? The wealthiest people always have a crystal clear vision of where they want to go. It's like driving a car with GPS. You'll never reach the destination if you don't know where you're headed. Take Elon Musk, for instance. Years ago, he envisioned a world with renewable energy and humans living on Mars. Sounds crazy? Maybe. But look where Tesla and SpaceX are now. Start with consistent habits like budgeting, saving, and investing. Small but powerful strokes in your financial painting. Replace the weekend splurges with investing in skills or side hustles. Celebrate progress, not perfection, because each disciplined decision is a brushstroke toward your masterpiece. Number 2. You have multiple income streams. Diversifying income is not just about extra money. It's about reducing dependency on a single source. Economic downturns, job loss, or market changes can shake a single income stream, but having multiple flows cushions the blow. Relying on a single paycheck is a risky game. If you've started diversifying, earning through a side hustle, rental income, dividends, or freelance gigs, you're already thinking like the wealthy. Did you know that the average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income? Start small. Freelancing, investing in REITs, skill-based work can all lead to incremental gains that snowball over time. Multiple income streams mean financial security and the ability to thrive even during tough times. That was just the start. Stick around, because coming pointers could be exactly what you need to take your finances to the next level. Number 3. Turning pennies into fortunes. Here's a question for you. If you had $1,000 today, would you save it, spend it, or invest it? The way you answer reveals a lot about your financial path. Did you know that the average millionaire invests at least 20% of their income annually? They understand the magic of compounding. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Those who ignore this wisdom often fall victim to living drowning in debt and relying on credit cards for emergencies. It's not about how much you earn, but how consistently and wisely you invest. Turning small sums into a fortune isn't just a financial strategy. It's proof that discipline and vision create freedom. Number 4. You invest in long-term assets. What's the difference between spending and investing? One builds wealth, the other drains it. If you've started prioritizing assets like real estate, stocks, or even intellectual property over liabilities like fancy cars or excessive gadgets, you're in the game. Think of Mike, who bought a modest property in his 30s. Over the next decade, he rented it out, earning enough to cover the mortgage while watching the property's value double. By his 40s, he'd turned one property into a small real estate portfolio, all while living within his means. Long-term assets appreciate over time, creating generational wealth and a financial safety net. Number 5. Habits, the secret sauce to success. Let's be honest, success isn't built overnight. It's the result of small, consistent actions over time. Remember Kobe Bryant? He was known to practice basketball at 4 a.m. every single day. That's discipline. Think about this. Do you hit snooze in the morning, or do you get up and tackle the day? One choice leads to growth, the other keeps you stagnant. Build habits that align with your goals. Start with something simple, like waking up 30 minutes earlier to plan your day. The road to wealth demands patience and consistency, but the rewards are life-changing. Number 6. Risk-taking, the wealth builder's playground. Tony Robbins writes in Unshakable, "The quality of your life is in direct proportion to the amount of uncertainty you can comfortably deal with. Playing it too safe, like keeping all your money in a savings account earning less than 1%, erodes purchasing power due to inflation. On the flip side, reckless risks, such as dumping $10,000 into a volatile stock based on a rumor, can wipe out hard-earned savings. The solution lies in taking calculated risks. Educate yourself before diving in, whether it's understanding the stock market, exploring real estate, or starting a side business. Risk-taking isn't about gambling. It's about strategy. Wealth is built by those willing to step out of their comfort zones, armed with knowledge and a clear plan. Number 7. You value time over money. Most people spend their lives trading time for money, failing to realize that time is the one resource you can't earn back. Naval Ravikant emphasizes, you can always get more money, but you can't get more time. Mistakes like working excessive overtime for marginal pay increases or doing tasks that could be outsourced for a fraction of your hourly rate waste invaluable time. The wealthy understand that time is their most valuable asset and leverage it wisely. Delegate repetitive tasks to focus on high-impact activities that align with your goals. Time is your most powerful tool for building wealth and living a fulfilling life. Every minute wasted is a dollar you'll never earn, and a life you'll never live to the fullest. Number 8. Learning. Your ultimate wealth engine. Someone who avoids learning about digital marketing in an increasingly online economy misses out on high-paying freelance opportunities or the chance to grow their business. The effect? They remain stuck in outdated systems, earning less while others thrive. The wealthy understand that continuous learning is the foundation of success. They read books, attend seminars, and seek mentors to stay ahead. As Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill emphasizes, knowledge becomes power only when it is organized into definite plans of action. The obsession with learning isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. In a world where information is currency, those who stop learning stop earning. Commit to being a lifelong student and you'll not only stay relevant, you'll build wealth that compounds with every new skill and insight. Number 9. The power of people in your corner. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, who's in your circle? Look at any successful entrepreneur. They're always networking, learning from mentors, or exchanging ideas with like-minded individuals. If you're already seeking advice from mentors, networking with successful people, or joining growth-oriented communities, you're setting yourself up for success. Join a mastermind group or attend industry events. And don't shy away from cutting out negative influences. Your environment shapes your mindset, and your mindset shapes your wealth. Number 10. You're comfortable delaying gratification. Can you trade short-term pleasure for long-term gains? Delaying gratification is the key to compounding wealth and enjoying true financial freedom. For example, instead of buying a luxury car immediately, they might invest that money to grow it first. The rewards? Enjoying that car guilt-free later with a much larger bank account. Set milestones for larger purchases. Reward yourself only after hitting significant financial goals. If you're serious about getting rich, it's not just about watching this video. It's about applying everything we've shared. Check out our previous videos and make sure to subscribe for more insights. Wealth isn't just about achieving milestones. It's about maintaining and growing them. If you found value, hit like and share this video to your loved ones so they can benefit from it too. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. See you there. Until then, take care.